Try and lessen the brake smoothly rather than jumping off it. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. That was lovely again. Cracker. The black car is the one we're going to parallel park with.
This one or the Ford?
The black one, not this one. This one, the Ford. Yeah? Yeah, we're all good. Over to you. Do you feel okay with this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, well done. Happy? You quite near your first turning point?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Excellent. Is the front going to be okay with the curb? Don't just stare at it, mate, because you miss other things. If you're ever in doubt, straighten your wheels again. So don't stop. There is now a kid behind us, though.
Yeah.
So if you're ever in doubt, you can straighten up for a bit, come away from the curb, and then put it back on. So check around everywhere. Check, 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 check. Move your car. We're going this way, straighten up that way. Yes, good. Reverse back, straight line. Away from the curb, put it back on again. Do you see where I'm coming from? Now, back to what we were doing. Good. Well done. Well done. Excellent. What's your white line looking like?
Good.
It's very good. Don't stare, mate. Well done. Yeah, well done. Control speed. What are you looking for again? Similar to the bay parking, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
The thing to drop.
Yeah, which is there. And we're done. Good. Any questions?
No.
Did it make sense if you were worried about the swing that side to put the lock on until you're as close as you feel as though you can?
Yeah.
And there'll be a little bit of an angle created then. You can then straighten up, come away from the curb a bit, and then put the rest of it on. Works, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. No problem with that. Have another go at a car a little bit further up as well, mate.